So I'm gonna show you the window that start in Art Deco period. And you know, almost the building is old, and maybe the third generation they don't have much more budget, and they change the new. It's very easy and not take a lot of money.
What is written on there?
It's from Europe. It might be from Italy or from Spain. And then the Majorca Thai is the style of Portuguese, and the Chinese. So that's why before the architecture give this style Sino-Portuguese. Because like this. I get the couple of the from Portugal. Last year I asked them about it because we never been colonized, but the Portuguese came to Malaysia,
To Malacca.
to Malacca. But like I think so we copy the idea of the architecture. They also.
This morning we are going to discover the cultural heritage of Phuket by walking with Pathu on an heritage walk around the old town. Pathu is a certified guide and she is very knowledgeable about the history of Phuket, giving us an insight about the cultural heritage, about the buildings and the streets and also food.
So it's very good for the tourists when they walk along the street, and then they're gonna know people always came here to buy fabric and make a tailor. So this family mix Chinese, Indian and Thai. Three culture. You can see the altar and then they show the unsacred Indian on the right side. Okay. อันนี้คือเราพาต้น is the first one open more than 100 years old. Christian church and Chinese association, and also enjoy the goddess of the sea. The majority of Chinese move to Phuket is Hokkien and minority is Chinese. The local come to train. That's they got miracle, and then they offer like a candle, also the flute, and many things.
The old town is an amalgamation of cultures because Indians, Chinese as well as Thai have settled here. This is a traditional Chinese medicine shop.
Business since 1900. We call oil. So the jelly. We put the seed in the water one night and the setting as a jelly, and it's with shaved ice, topping with the red bean and some that jelly. So you can order it after you taste my food. And mixed with a special sauce made from Halloween sauce. And if you, some people, but now the rental is expensive, not from $1,000 a month. That's why many people want to keep this area for their product. But this area is not used for the market. It's for the private resident. That's why you can just. Okay, we can walk past. This is, I think nobody live here. Normally they put the offering, like pineapple is the lucky fruit of Phuket, and incense stick and water to offer to the emperor god. To mix with the flower, Chinese flower. this. And a lot of cookie from Phuket, like pepper cookie and everywhere, even in Singapore, in Malaysia, in Burma, in the country that was colonized by British. But Thailand, we never been colonized, but we love, especially in the reign of King Rama V, who saved Thailand. But he really loved the European architecture. He invited Italian contractor, Italian architecture, came to Bangkok and built his palace. Yes, we have a lot of royal palaces in the European style.
So I think that was essentially an age where from the east they were looking to the west for technology, modern ideas and things. So they were not...
The same house, but very long. Open school and build a building. We're gonna walk to see it. This we call eclectic architecture. The education is the good luck, the best thing in your life. Even the Majorca tile, the floor tile, and some dresser. I have a chance to be VIP people come to visit Phuket. For the public garden, and we have a big speaker. To the people come to listen the news from World War II. So now we're gonna see the pipe, like when we did the tin line. So for corner was donated by the family that they did the tin line before. We use this hall for the headquarters when World War II, when the Japanese came here. And then when World War II finished, so the owner found the sword of samurai sword inside the house. They still keep it.
As we walk through the streets, we realize because of the tin mining in Phuket, there was a lot of wealth, and people also built the houses which were grand, but they are now a shadow of their past. We also learned that Phuket was one of the first to educate the girl child, probably because it was exposed to Western culture.
And at the table you're gonna see 3 lions and monkey and peony flower. And at the window you're gonna see the Thai style. That means ordination of the building. That means this is the main building in Buddhist temple.
Normally people come to Phuket for the beaches and it is famous for that, but if you are interested in the history, you can take a walk around the old town and learn about its culture, history and all the stories that are interlinked with the houses. There are many museums in and around this area, so you can just do a heritage walk or a food walk. It is up to you and what you would enjoy. The street art is also amazing, and everywhere that you go, you will find some of it. The walk takes about 2.5 hours and it is really interesting. So the next time you book your tickets to Phuket, remember the place is not only about sun and beaches, but it also has a rich cultural heritage.